What's up guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use OneShot Modern. It is ridiculously simple to use. All you need is 1 gallon of distilled water and a measuring cup. And of course, a bottle of OneShot. To get started, open up your gallon of distilled water and pour out precisely 22 fluid ounces or 2 3/4 cups of water into the measuring cup. Take the water in the measuring cup and pour it down the drain. The next step is taking the bottle of OneShot and pouring it into the gallon of water. Make sure you don't spill any because every single drop of OneShot counts. Every last drop. Boom. Voila. So now we're going to close the gallon tightly and give it a good, vigorous shake. It's important that you shake it well to maximize the function of your lamp. And voila, you've got an entire gallon of modern lava lamp repair juice. Let's go. I can't wait to see what you guys fix. Thanks for joining me.